Samsung has started a teaser campaign for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which has an AI-powered multimobile search embedded into the Galaxy Camera app. The Fold 7 is touted to be Samsung's thinnest and lightest horizontal foldable ever, providing unrivaled mobility without losing power and performance. The FCC certification reveals that the Fold 7 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor model SM8750, transforming it into a performance beast capable of multitasking, gaming, and AI wizardry. The FCC filing also validates 5G, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband, UB, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. The Fold 7 is inspired by the Special Fold Special Edition, with a larger cover display and streamlined design factor. The debut will take place with the Fold 7 at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in July. The Z Flip 7, Z Flip Fan Edition, and Galaxy Watch 8 are all slated to ship with One UI 8 on top of Android 16. Samsung has altered the foldable landscape, making it something that flows seamlessly into everyday life. Despite the enthusiasm about a slimmer foldable, there is still concern regarding battery limitations and sales projections. Samsung is also getting set to introduce the next-generation Galaxy Watch 8 series, with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic now available on eBay. The highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are destined to transform the foldable experience, ushering in a daring new age of innovation. Samsung has been chastised for prioritizing software and AI improvements in foldable hardware, but it is now laying the basis for a more ambitious design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is believed to have a narrow hinge, making it virtually identical to a standard flatty phone when folded. The phone is designed like a tank, with the goal of striking the optimal balance of style, strength, and functionality. In its first official teaser, Samsung hyped the Z Fold 7 as an ultra experience. The Fold 7 is believed to take inspiration from Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series, which includes high-quality cameras and gorgeous screens. The Fold 7 will also have a titanium backplate to make it seem lighter while maintaining robustness. Samsung is expected to launch a new power management technology that improves battery life and allows for quicker charging using a 25W adapter. The gadget is touted to be smarter, last longer, and perform more smoothly than before. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and maybe the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE or Flip FE are scheduled to be released in early July. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.